Okay, so now let's have number 1. Neither John nor his friends was able to finish the project on time. Is it A was, B friends, C finish, or letter D the sentence has no error? You may pause the video if you'd like to answer. And the correct answer is letter A, was. So this verb makes the sentence grammatically incorrect. According to the rule, when two subjects are joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. So dito sa sentence, we have two subjects, John and friends. So ito yung nearer subject to the verb. Sabi sa rule, when two subjects, John and friends, are connected by neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. So ito yung nearer subject to the verb. Since the nearer subject is plural, so we have to use plural verb as well. So ito po ay singular verb. So dapat were instead of was. So I hope that's clear.